Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Ministry of Education UAE updated teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.moe.gov.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of United Arab Emirates Ministry of Education. In this main page, left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option jobs. If you click this link jobs, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Ministry of Education UAE. So here, to apply for the available job, please click here. If you click this link, you can get what are the job list for academic year 22-23. In this page, you can get teach for UAE. So here, right corner, there are two options available, join now and login. So if you are a first time user, you can click the link join now. So if you click this link, you can get register your account. So your full name and email address, you want to register as a teacher, then join us. Once you are submitted, you can get one link via email. Once you have activated the link, you can get login ID and password. Once you get the login ID and password, you can click this link login. In right corner available, if you click this link login, you can get login ID and password. You can log in your account. Once you have login your account, you can get your profile section. This is my account details. So here available vacancies, you can check here. Once you have checked the available vacancies, so academic, airplane maintenance, work location across UAE as per operational needs. The job is going to expire January 1st, 2022. Academic business administration across all UAE based on the operational needs. The deadline of this application 31 December 2021. Medical sciences. This job also going to 31/12/2021. So physics, English and primary teacher field 2. So these are all the vacancies. So academic airplane maintenance, we can check here. So related document ESC candidate information form available here. So job description available here. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. Check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So here job requirement required, bachelor degree, excellent knowledge of the subject, 3 years full-time teaching experience, relevant industry experience, good level of English proficiency test, desirable master or PhD, EASA 66 is highly desirable, good level of Arabic proficiency. So job extra information they are given here. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can click this link, apply for the job. The next one is academic business administration. We can check here. So candidate brief form available here. So job short description and job description they are given here. So required relevant bachelor degree, excellent knowledge of subject, 3 years full-time teaching experience, relevant industry experience, experience with macroeconomics and microeconomics, good level of English proficiency. So desirable also they are given. Job extra informations. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can click apply for the job. So before applying, you have to create your profile. Once you have created only, you can use the link apply for the job. The third one is medical sciences. You can click this link. So overview of this job. And required is relevant bachelor degree of health sciences, nursing, medical sciences, paramedic sciences, emergency medical technician, health promotion, health care, public health, nutrition, health and social care. So these are the job requirement for the medical sciences subject. So desirable also they are given. Job extra information. So those job you wish to apply for the job, in the mentioned visit the site and click the items jobs after all the required conditions are met as of the date of publications. The next one is physics English. So you can click this link. You can get what are the candidate brief form and job descriptions, job requirement, job extra informations. This job also going to expire 31st December 2021. Primary teacher field 2. The work location is Abu Dhabi region. This job is going to expire 31st December 2021. So you can click this link primary teachers. So candidate brief form available here. So English teachers are required. English teacher should possess. So what are the job requirement and required and desirable? So job extra information. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can click this link apply for the job. If you click this link, you can get job title and work location, interview locations. So here interview location available. You can select your location. So first you have to complete your profile. So enter your qualification and attach your certificate copy. So once you have all done in your profile, then only you can submit your job application. So first here how to create our profile. So here left corner my profile available. So if you click this link my profile, you can get your profile section. This application form should take approximately 30 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections in this application form. You will require to upload your documents and up-to-date CV. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. First one is your basic details, employment information, IELTS information. Once you have completed this page, you can give it to save. Once you have saved, you can give it to the additional details. So passport information, salary information, contact information, address. Once you have completed, you can give it to save. The third one is qualification. So educational qualification and language, you can click this link plus. So you can give it your all the details, then you have to save. So one by one you can add. Then skills. So here also one plus symbol available. You can click this link and you can give all the details and save. Training courses. So what are the training courses you have attended? You can give it from here. You can click this link plus. Training courses, course name, place and everything you can give and save. Previous experience. Initially you can create your profile first. Once you have created your profile only, you can submit the job applications. So attachment type here. So what are the document needed? So first one is candidate application form, leadership, candidate brief, CV, experience letter, IELTS certificate if you have, introduction form fully complete and medical history, other documents, passport copy, personal photo with white background, teaching certificate, university certificate copy. So all the document you can upload one by one. First you can click this link candidate brief form. Already I told you that candidate brief form available in the job description page. Once you download and you can upload a file, then you can give it to save. So one by one you can upload here. So next one is CV in English. You can upload a file and save. Once you have saved all the details, in right corner available in the candidate brief temple, medical history questionnaire, introduction form temple, sample exams, candidate application form, leadership. So all the forms are mandatory. So once you have clicked this form, you can get one PDF. So once you have get, you can submit all the form in the your profile section. Once you have uploaded only, you can submit the job application form. Once you have submitted, you can click this link, My Applications. Once you have submitted, it will be show here. You can log in regularly to check the status of your applications. So in left corner, job list, my profile, my application, the three options are available here. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instructions. If you have any doubt, you can comment, I will reply to you. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you did not hear from the Ministry of Education, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.